Okay, this can opener is malfunctioning, and reason for it is there is a blade right there. If you see, it's very short. It's stuck. It needs to get unstuck. You oil it, you clean it, whatever. And one way you can do that is just put a knife right there. Move this. You see, now the blade is longer. The blade is longer right there. If you clean it, get a cooking oil and rub over here on the other side, opposite side of it with a Q-tip. You're probably going to take care of it. Don't use your hand, use tools. If you move it in and out, you see how I'm moving it in and out. If you keep doing that, it will free itself. But this is the reason that it does get malfunction. Don't touch it with your hand, it's sharp. So it needs to be fully out for it to work. If it's in, let me show you again. If it's all the way in, if it's like this, where the blade is very short, it's not going to work. And go in that gap right there, clean up, get a Q-tip and oil the both side, okay? And somehow you can use a force and get that thing. We have oiled it already, that's why it's coming out easily when it gets stuck. Earlier it was stuck very bad. Good day, good luck.